Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Scrcpy wirelessly without keeping your phone connected all the time. So let's get started. First, make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now go to the Start button on your computer and search for CMD. After that, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once Command Prompt opens, I have saved some commands in a text file, so I'll copy them from there. The first command is ADB 5555. Type this command and press Enter. This command enables wireless ADB mode on your Android device. Now the second command is ADB connect your phone IP address. Before entering it, replace your phone IP address with your phone's actual IP address. For example, in my case, the IP address is 192.168.1.27. So the full command becomes ADB connect 192.168.1.27. Now press Enter. In my case it's not work because I cannot connect mobile. But if your phone is properly connected and configured, your device will connect wirelessly to Scrcpy. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.